Hey guys, I'm Jeff. I'm a professional property investor based in Northampton. We run a £500,000 property business specializing in rent to HMO. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to work with a landlord. Relationships are key. Your relationship with your landlord client is just like any other relationship you have with people in your everyday life, except there's a property in the middle of it. In order for us to be the most effective and successful in our field, we need to be in tune with that individual and what their needs are. So when you meet your landlord, and that's normally at a viewing, you will need to find out about their story. If you get to know their story, you'll understand their needs. And if you understand their needs, you will then know whether or not your business can solve the problems for them, and if you're a good fit. You do this through conversation and asking questions. Get to know them. When they want to know about yours, you will answer your questions, but focus on them. This will speed you on to knowing how to handle the situation next. Once you've agreed to do business together, you will want to be very clear about whose responsibilities are what. What are yours? What are theirs? Take the time to communicate clearly with them and write it down. Ask them if they're happy every step of the way. Once you've done the deal and you've signed the management agreement with them, don't forget about them. The day-to-day running of the business will be busy. That's why it's called business. Don't forget that they are there in the background. Always think about them and what they need and what their concerns are. If you have issues and concerns about the property, speak up and communicate them with your landlord. Even if it is a difficult conversation, you must bring it up anyway, because it is the right thing to do. You will take care of the property in the best way, and they will respect you for being open and honest. Also, don't forget to communicate with them all of the good things that you've done with the house. We normally do light refurbs. We do frequent maintenance. We keep these properties fresh and in good order. It can sometimes be an issue to remember to actually tell them what you've done. So pull up an email, put it all down, say no need to respond, have a nice weekend, and yours truly. And once in a while, ask them how they're getting on. Perhaps you even might want to meet up with them to socialize. Because remember, this doesn't always have to be about business. And it will benefit you in the future, believe me. If you do these things, you will be serving your client in the best and most effective way. They will love it and they will tell their friends. Did you know that most landlords have other friends who are landlords? We have gained deals off the back of initial deals numerous times through word of mouth. In fact, today we don't even advertise. We do not chase projects. They come to us. Property is just as much about people as it is about houses. This is certainly true in our business. The more we care about the people, the more deals that we've had off the back of it. In fact, today we don't even advertise anymore. We just do deals based off of word of mouth. In our business, we've benefited greatly by maintaining good relationships with landlords and agents. We have landlords who continue to tell their friends about us. We receive inquiries all the time. In fact, I've had to say no to the last several inquiries I've had. We have landlords who told their friends, and we've taken on 2 more deals from their friends. We have an estate agent who was instrumental in helping us grow in the early stages because of the connections that he had. It's been a win-win all around for us when we've looked after our people. So don't underestimate the power of relationships in doing property.